When it comes to finding the top land surveyor in HBR Layout, Bangalore, one name that stands out is Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. With their expertise and experience in the field, they have established themselves as a reliable and trusted surveying company in the area. Their commitment to delivering accurate and precise surveying services has earned them a reputation as one of the best in the industry. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is known for their professionalism and attention to detail. They understand the importance of accurate land surveying and the impact it can have on various projects, such as construction, infrastructure development, and property evaluation. With their team of skilled and experienced surveyors, they ensure that every survey is conducted meticulously and with utmost precision. What sets Scon Design apart from other land surveyors in HBR Layout is their commitment to using the latest technology and equipment. They stay updated with the latest advancements in surveying technology and invest in state-of-the-art equipment to ensure accurate and efficient results. This allows them to provide their clients with reliable data that can be used for decision-making purposes. Another reason why Scon Design is considered the top land surveyor in HBR Layout is their comprehensive range of surveying services. They offer a wide range of services, including boundary surveys, topographic surveys, construction staking, and land subdivision surveys, among others. This versatility makes them a one-stop solution for all surveying needs in the area. Scon Design's dedication to customer satisfaction is also a factor that sets them apart. They prioritize client needs and work closely with them to understand their requirements and expectations. This enables them to tailor their services accordingly and deliver results that meet or exceed client expectations. When it comes to land surveying services in HBR Layout, Bangalore, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the top choice for clients seeking accurate and reliable results. As a leading land surveying company, Scon Design has built a strong reputation for its expertise and commitment to delivering high-quality services to clients in the region. With a team of experienced and skilled surveyors, Scon Design ensures that every project is executed with precision and efficiency. As a top land surveyor in HBR Layout, Scon Design understands the importance of accurate and detailed surveys for various purposes. Whether it is for property development, construction projects, or infrastructure planning, their team is equipped with the latest technology and tools to provide precise measurements and comprehensive reports. With their in-depth knowledge of land surveying techniques and regulations, they are able to meet the specific needs of different clients. One of the key reasons why Scon Design stands out as a top land surveyor in HBR Layout is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They prioritize client needs and strive to exceed expectations in every project they undertake. Their team works closely with clients